Okay, hello guys, welcome to Intermediate 1 Lesson C. Okay, now we're going to review something. Let's remember that we can ask questions in present perfect to talk about experiences by using have you ever. For example, have you ever been to Canada? And remember that I use been to because you're talking about experiences of going to Canada and returning from Canada. So es ir y regresar. Por eso es been to. No utilizaría gone to. Okay. Or have you ever played golf? Have you ever been to or traveled to China? Have you ever lost your passport? Have you ever flown, the participle of fly, flown in a helicopter? Have you ever won a race? Have you ever visited Peru? Or have you ever driven a bus? Have you ever broken a leg? Okay, always with have you ever or questions to talk about experiences. Okay, so these are some exercises that you will be doing in class. So, for example, Jenny is on vacation in the Caribbean. She's there now. She arrived in the Caribbean on Monday, and today is Thursday. So, what does it mean? It means that, how long has she been in the Caribbean? Well, she has been in the Caribbean since Monday or for 3 days. So, I have two different ways to talk about this. I could use since or for. Okay, let's go. If we talk about Monday and now, which is Thursday, for example, and I say she has been in the Caribbean for all this time, it means that she's been in the Caribbean for 3 days, or since Monday. This is a present perfect. So she means that she's in the Caribbean now. And let's compare. For example, Dan and Kate are married. Okay, before that, sorry, this is just to clear up that we use for and since in a different way. Since to talk about the specific moment when that began, and for to talk about the whole time. Now, if we compare the simple present and the present perfect, there are some differences. Like Dan and Kate are married, or they have been married for 5 years, for example. Okay, not they are married for 5 years. Or are you married? How long have you been married? Not how long are you married. Okay. Do you know Jenny? How long have you known her? Not how long do you know her, right? I know Jenny, I've known her for a long time, not I know her for a long time. So when you want to express something that started in the past and still has a consequence in the present, you use a present perfect. So let's continue with for and since, right? We use for and since to say how long something happens. Like Jenny is in the Caribbean, she has been there for 3 days. Okay, or since Monday. So it means for, and we can use since. We use for plus a period of time for 3 days, for 2 years, for one decade, for 5 minutes, I don't know. And we use since plus start of the period, like since Monday, since Tuesday, since 9 p.m., etc. In this specific moment. Okay. Now let's continue with more things. For example, we talk about Anna's car. That Anna's car is dirty. And well, the mechanic is washing Anna's car. The mechanic has washed Anna's car, so the car is clean now. So what we use the present perfect for an action in the past with a result now, right? For example, I have lost my passport. Okay, it means that I cannot find it now. Or where's Rebecca? She's gone to bed. It means that she is in bed now. Or we have bought a new car, so we have a new car now. Or it's Rachel's birthday tomorrow and I haven't bought her a present, so I don't have a present for her now. Or Bob is away on vacation. Oh, where has he gone? Where is he now? Right? So can I say I lost my passport, she went to bed, we bought a new car, I didn't buy her a present, or where did he go? Yes, we can usually use simple past in these same situations in colloquial context, but there are some specific cases when that cannot be done, right? So we talk about the simple past in the present perfect. We can say something like the mechanic has washed Anna's car. That's correct. And can I use the simple past here? O sea, ¿podría utilizar el pasado para ese mismo contexto? Si yo digo, the mechanic has washed Anna's car, it means there is no specific time. I don't know when. No sé cuándo pasó. Sé que lo lavó, lo ha lavado, no sé cuándo. If I say the mechanic washed Anna's car yesterday, Ok, sí tengo un momento específico. O sea, sé que terminó. Acá no estoy seguro. Acá sí sé que terminó. Y tengo un momento específico todavía. So that is something very important to talk about the difference between simple past and present perfect. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being in today's class and see you next class. Bye.